Praise the Lord. Hi, hello, and welcome back. You are watching Nama Gurugulu YouTube channel. Dear students, in the past three videos, we have seen the basic concepts of introduction to trigonometry in detail. Okay, I believe that you have already seen those three videos. So this is the fourth video on the chapter of trigonometry, and this video is a very important video because in this class we are going to discuss one of the basic and very important concept in trigonometry called trigonometric identities. I had already told you, as you have algebraic identities in algebra, a plus b whole square. In the similar way, you have three basic trigonometric identities. Okay, so that is the last concept in on trigonometry. If that concept is finished, and next we have leftover with all the problem solving. Okay, we shall do it one by one mark questions first, 2 mark questions, and later 3 mark questions. Okay, so I believe this is the last video on concept base. Next we are going to solve all the problems one by one. Okay, so hope you are ready for it, and keep your mind fresh because this is a very simple concept also. Only thing is, if you can use your common sense, I believe you're going to enjoy this session. Okay, so let's not waste our time. Let's go to the concept trigonometric identities. Okay, students, so the first basic trigonometric identity is, please note it down. The first one is sine square of any angle. Let me take it as theta. In your textbook, you are given with A. Okay, both are same. Just remember this, sine square theta plus cos square theta, this is equal to 1. So this is the first trigonometric identity which you have to remember. So remember, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sometimes they say sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the first important identity. Okay, now along with this identity can be written in many ways. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಂದೇ ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ ಇಸ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ, so I can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ sin theta to the, cos square to the right hand side. Is it not? Therefore, remember, from this, if I want just sin theta, I will take root of 1 minus cos square theta. Are you following? Okay, so please remember this while solving the 3-marker question. I'm telling you, we are going to use this many times. Okay, so I will ask you, how do you put sine in terms of cos? So this is representing sine in terms of cos. Okay, now Pooja is wondering, sir, why did you send cos square only to right hand side? Can't we send sine square to right hand side? Yes, Pooja, you are right. Even that is possible. Okay, so if you keep cos square to the right hand side, I will get cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, from this, therefore cos theta is nothing but, yes Pooja, what is cos theta? Square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, remember this way, sine theta is root of 1 minus cos square, or cos theta is root of 1 minus sine square. Is it clear? They are we know they are complementary angles. Okay, they are close friends, isn't it? So if you want sine in terms of cos, it is root of 1 minus cos square. If you want cos in terms of sine, it is root of 1 minus sine square. That's all. Okay, so this first trigonometric identity, usually we represent this in only these two ways. Sometimes we use this only. Sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Please remember. Okay, so stay. Now going on to the second one. The second trigonometric identity is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. Here in the first one, sine and cos will be on one side. Here in the second identity, 1 will be on one side and tan square. 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. So this is the second trigonometric identity. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, in how many ways you can write this? This also can be written in many ways. So if you want, you can shift this as 1 is equal to actually secant square theta minus tan square theta, isn't it? Very simple. You are shifting secant square theta, tan square to the right hand side. You cannot do anything more than that. Please remember, for 1 marker question, we are going to use this. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Or you can do the other way around, send 1 to the right hand side. Therefore, you will get tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Correct? Is it clear? Just shifting 1 to the right hand side. From this, therefore, I can write tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Is it clear? So I can write tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay, in the same way, even here, I have 1 plus tan square is secant square theta. So secant theta can be written as root of 1 plus tan square theta. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಾದೆನ, ಅಳಿಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಗಲ ಗಂಡ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್. ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀತೀರ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ವೇಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್. ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you want sin theta in terms of cos theta, you take root of 1 minus cos square. Cos theta in terms of sin square is root of 1 minus sin square. It is just like changing your currency. Okay, think you are having Indian rupees. If you go to America, okay, you cannot spend your Indian rupees there. First thing what you have to do is, you have to convert your currency into American dollars and then spend. Same thing here. ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಸೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. ನಾವು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದೇ 3, ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಮಚ್. You don't have 10 or 20, only 3 identities. One is sin square plus cos square is 1. Second one is tan square is theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one is similar to the second one. ಏನಂತ? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So this is the third trigonometric identity. So 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square theta is the third trigonometric identity. Okay, as we wrote the previous ones, illೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? The first one is sending cot square to the right hand side. So 1 is nothing but cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Are you following? Cosecant square minus cot square theta. Remember, theta should be same. It will be equal to 1. Or I can send 1 to the right hand side. Al ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ? Look here. Cot square theta can be written as, yes, cosecant square theta minus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್? Okay. Therefore, from this I can write cot theta is equal to what? Take the root ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So it is root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Are you following? So let's frame it. Okay, because these are important formulas. Okay, that's it. Not much you have. You have one more thing. Usually we can see here. So if you have 1 plus cot square is cosecant square. So your cosecant theta will be root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so this is the other way of writing the same identity. ನೀವು ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸರಿ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಲ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, you should remember this formulas just like your 1 1s tables, not anything else. I even don't say compare this to 2 1s tables. It is just like 1 1s tables. ಒಂದು ಹಾಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಲ ಮಗ್ಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಮಗ್ಗಿಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸುಲಭದ ಲೆಕ್ಕವಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಎನಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು 3 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸರ್, ಸಾಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಯಾವುದು? ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಶಿಪ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನೇನಿತ್ತೋ ಈ 4 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸರ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ? ಎನಿಹೌ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿಹೌ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೂ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ. ಹುಷಾರು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. You have 1 plus. Okay, now this looks like cos by sine whole square. ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? I can write it as cos theta by sin theta whole square. This is nothing but 1 divided by sin theta whole square. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Therefore 1 plus what is cos by sine? ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. 1 cos by sine is cot. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು? ಸೈನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಯಾರು? ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಕೊಸೀಕೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೊಸೀಕೆಂಡ್. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ. ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Okay, sir, okay, doubt is cleared. Third one, from 1 I got the third one. How will I get the second one? Again the story is same. In the first case I divided by sine square. In the second case divide by cos square. Okay, just remember I have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is it not? If you divide by cos square, just look here, I have sine square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. This is nothing but 1 divided by cos square theta. Is it clear? ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಇಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ what will I get? Sorry, this is sine. I'm sorry. This is sine theta. Now, what is sine by cos? Sine by cos, we know it is tan. So you will get tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal andre eno? Brotherhood. So who is the brother of cos? You know it is secant. So you will get secant square theta. Or you can write just changing 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. This is the second result. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಅದು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. Okay, so this is all about the basic trigonometric identities. Now, okay students, so we have come to the conclusion of the basic concepts. Now let us solve the problem solving sessions. Okay, hereafter we are going to solve all the required problems from either from the textbook or from the previous year's question papers. Okay, but for today, for this video, we are going to start with solving the 1 marker questions, particularly from the chapter of basic trigonometry. Okay, are you ready for it? I think this is the video which you are waiting for. Okay, so once the 1 marker questions are ready, we will solve 2 marker in the next video, and finally your most awaited 3 marker questions. So please be waiting until now. Let's solve the 1 marker question for the time being. So let's go to the first question. Okay, so first question is a multiple choice question. The value of secant square 26 degrees minus tan square 26 degrees is. Options are 1 by 2, 0, 2 and 1. This question was asked in September 2020. Okay, it's a very simple question. Just now I gave you the formula. Do you remember? Just now I gave you the formula. Enanta secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Therefore secant square, in place of theta I have 26 degrees. So secant square 26 degrees minus tan square 26 degrees is equal to 1. So where is the option? The option is in D. Are you following? Just simple nodi. So the option is in D. Therefore the right answer is option D, and the answer is 1. Very simple, isn't it? Yeah. So going on to the second question. The second question is also very simple, very simple. If 13 sine theta is equal to 12, then the value of cosecant theta is. This was asked in April 2020, your main examination. Okay. So he has given, remember, he has given 13 sine theta is equal to 12. Okay. Therefore, from here, I will get sine theta is equal to 12 divided by 13. Is it not? Just dividing by sine theta. Okay. Therefore, we know sine and cosecant are brothers. Reciprocal relationship, isn't it? So because sine and cosecant are brothers, so you get cosecant theta is nothing but, I told you just take the reciprocal, it is 13 divided by 12. So within 10 seconds you can write the answer, but just I'm teaching you in details. Okay. So the answer for this question is, see where you have 13 by 12. Now this looks similar, urgental baribardu, husharak baridi. So the option D, so which is nothing but 13 divided by 12. Is it clear? Simple idiyalva? Right. So now next going to question number 3. Okay. So question number 3 was asked in June 2019. Right. Supplementary exam. Okay. So the question is, the value of sine 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees is. Okay. So let me, ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಡೀಟೇಲಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. Okay. So this is nothing but, what is sine 30? We know sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Correct? Okay. Plus. Now what is cos 60? I've told you already, sine 30 is same as cos 60, or cos 60 is same as sine 30. So sine 30 and cos 60 are same. So cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So it is just like half plus half, that is equal to 1. So where is the option you have? The option again, for your lucky thing, the answer is in option D. Okay. Now you might be wondering, sir, elladukku option D ne idya? No. Actually, because I'm selecting each question from the each single question paper, now you can check there. Prati varsha 8 model questions, 8 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಸಿ, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿನೇ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. Work it and verify it and then do it. Okay. Now going on to question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is similar to what the previous session I have done this question. Okay. So the value of cos 48 degrees minus sine 42 degrees is. This question was asked in April 2019. Now I want cos, okay, 48 degrees minus sine 42 degrees. Okay. So this is nothing but, remember, this cos 48 can be written as 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. Correct? 90 minus 42 will give me what? 48. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ 42 degrees. Now this is nothing but, please be careful. Now this looks like cos of 90 minus theta. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? Does anybody know this? We know that cos of 90 degrees minus theta is sin theta. I told you they are complementary angles. Sin and cos will share 90 degrees among each other. Correct? Therefore, you will get cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So, you will get sin 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. What is sin 42 minus sin 42? Answer is 0. Aste 0. Now, you see where you have the option A as 0 here. The option 0 is in option A. So answer is option A, which is equal to 0. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ವಂಡರಿಂಗ್, ಸರ್ ಬರೀ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾ ಆನ್ಸರು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಊರಗಲ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ 1 marker ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. So question number 5 is the value of sine 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees is. Okay, it's this question you can see in model question paper 1 given by the board. Okay, therefore just look here, sine 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees is equal to, what is sine 60? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. sine 60 is √3/2. Okay, into, now what is cos 30? Cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is also √3/2. Why? Because sine, when sine is 60, cos take 30. I told you already. So this is nothing but √3 into √3 will be √3 square. So that is nothing but 3 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So where is the option 3/4? You have option C. So the answer is option C, which is nothing but 3 divided by 4. So looking at these kind of questions, don't you think trigonometry is easy, dear students? So then why did you believe when someone said trigonometry is difficult? So please don't believe. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. So question number 6 is very easy one. The value of tan 45 degrees is, I've already told you, tan 45 degrees value eno, it is equal to 1. Please remember, tan's value is 1 when it takes 45 degrees, sine value will give me 1 when it takes 90 degrees, and cos value will give me 1 when it takes 0 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So what is the option you have? So option C, and the answer is 1. So this question is given in the second model question paper. Okay, so moving on to the question number 7. So question number 7, this is also very simple question, very easy for it, you can easily do it. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗೇ ಬೇಡ, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. The value of sine 30 degrees is equal to, now what is sine 30 degrees? So sine 30 is 1/2, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ April 2020, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. So don't worry about old syllabus here, but here the question is important. So answer is, where do you have option C? So that is nothing but 1 divided by 2. Okay, so are you following this? Hope you are enjoying the session. I think you are excited, sir. Next question hogana bega nadiri anta. Okay, let's not waste our time. Going on to question number 8. Going to question number 8, the value of tan square 60 degrees plus 2 tan square 45 degrees is. So this was asked in April 2019, old scheme question paper. Okay, but question ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. tan square 60 degrees plus 2 times tan square 45 degrees is equal to, now I've already told you, when you have square you can take whole square, particularly for trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what is tan 60? We know tan 60 is √3, isn't it? So tan square is nothing but √3 whole square. Okay, plus 2 into, what is tan 45? Just now we did it, tan 45 is 1, so it is 1 square. Okay, so this is nothing but, now square and root gets cancels, √3 square is nothing but actually 3, plus, now what is 1 square? 1 square is 1, correct? So 1 into 2 is 2. So this will give me 3 plus 2. Anybody can tell the answer. Answer is 5. So where is the option you have correct answer? The correct answer is in option A, which is equal to 5. So correct answer is option A, and the answer is 5. Such an easy question. Okay, but ಏನಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ 3 ವೀಡಿಯೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನೋ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಆಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so going on to question number 9. So until now we were doing all the multiple choice questions. So let us do descriptive 1 marker question. Okay, so the first question is, find the value of tan theta minus cot of 90 minus theta. So this question was asked in model question paper 1. Okay, so consider I want tan theta minus cot of 90 degree minus theta. Okay, so this is nothing but keep this tan theta as it is minus, do you remember this? What is cot of 90 minus theta? It is complementary angle. Okay, so who is the friend of cot? Don't you forget, don't forget it. Tan and cot are friends. Complementary angles means, so tan and cot will share 90 degrees. So cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. You should remember the formulas. Every time I cannot keep on writing the formulas. Prati problem go formula bariyalla ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So tan theta minus tan theta is 0. See, such a simple question. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ you don't need more than 30 seconds to answer this. Okay, so please don't say trigonometry is difficult. It is actually very interesting and also easy. Okay, students. So moving on to question number 10. This question number 10 is also asked in the same question paper, first model question paper. In the figure, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. He has given you triangle ABC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle C. He has given you. And BC is equal to 10 centimeter. Then find the value of tan 45 degrees. Okay, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನದು ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ, ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 1 ಇನ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Is it clear? So in a right angle triangle, tan 45 degrees is always 1. Is it clear? Gotaita, I don't need further explanation because it is already proved in the previous sessions. Okay, tan 45 degrees is a basic angle that is equal to 1. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅವ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ tan 45 ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11. Moving on to question number 11. If 15 cot A is equal to 8, then find the value of tan A. This question is asked in model question paper 2. He has given you 15 cot A is equal to 8. Okay, from this I will get the value of cot A is, yes, Suman, it is 8 divided by 15. Okay, therefore we know tan and cot are reciprocals. Reciprocal functions ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ tan and cot are brothers. So if he has given you tan cot value, tan angle is just take the reciprocal, exchange the numerator and denominator, that is nothing but 15 by 8. If cot A is equal to 8 by 15, then tan A is equal to 15 by 8. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 12. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಆಗಲೇ ಈಗ ಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2020. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ, ಇಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, we know that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ I'm not going to write. We know that cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Correcta? Is it not? Okay. Therefore, cos A, what is cos A? Cos A is nothing but root of 1 minus sin square A. Only changes angle change. So that is nothing but square root of 1 minus, what is sin square A? It is 0. So that is nothing but root of 1 minus 0 is 1 and root 1 is 1. Correct? Therefore, cos A value is 1. You can easily do this problem when you have to know the basic formulas properly. This chapter is all about formulas and values. So if you know that, you can easily score marks. Yeah? Okay. So moving on to the next question. Question number 13. So he has given cos theta is, if cos theta is equal to 24 by 25, then write the value of secant theta. The students, nodi, why do you lose marks here? So cos theta is equal to 24 by 25. Therefore, secant theta and takshana, we know they are reciprocal functions. So just take the reverse, 25 divided by 24. Okay, you know the reason? Because 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta, means they are reciprocal functions anta. Okay, so this question was ಇದೇನು model question paper ಅಲ್ಲ, this was already asked in September 2020. Okay, the same question was asked in the old scheme. Theta ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. If cos x is equal to 24 by 25, find the value of secant x ಅಂತ. So because everything is same, I did not write that question. Okay, because ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ, ಥೀಟಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನು ಟೀಟಾ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಎ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ tan 45 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. This question was asked in April 2020. Okay, let's go for it. Tan 45 degrees plus cot 45 degrees is equal to, we know that tan 45 is nothing but 1 plus, what is cot 45? So we know tan and cot share 45 degrees, sorry 90 degrees kalva. So 45 is half of 90. That means tan 45 cos 45 both are same, which is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1 is, 1ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 2. So this is the answer for this question. ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So don't say, never say trigonometry is difficult. It is actually not difficult at all. Okay, right. So moving on to question number 50. Okay, what is the value of cos square 67 degrees minus sin square 23 degrees? Okay, we almost solved. Now ಇದನ್ನು ಈ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 67 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 23 degrees is equal to, okay, so I will change this 67 as 90 degrees minus 23. ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, so 90 minus 23 will give me 67. So 23 degrees ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So let me keep this square as it is. So cos square 90 degrees minus 23 degrees minus, I'll keep this as it is, sin square 23 degrees. Okay, so this is nothing but, now this looks like cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos of 90 minus theta? Cos will share angle with sine. So this becomes sine. Because I have sine, this square will remain. So sine square 23 degrees. Okay, so sine square 23 degrees minus sine square 23 degrees. So what happens? This is equal to 0. See, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಟೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಯು ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್? ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೈನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 16. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 or 3 challenging questions now. And remember, this question was asked in the CBSE examination. Okay, so ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, but it is easy. Okay, we can solve it easily. Okay, therefore now look here, I want cos 80 degrees divided by sin 10 degrees plus cos 59 degrees into cosecant 31 degrees. Okay, so this is nothing but, I will write it as cos 80 degrees divided by sin 10 degrees. Okay, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos 59 degrees ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಈ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ theta is equal to sin theta. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? If you bring cosecant to the denominator, you will have 1 by cosecant, that is nothing but sine. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Is it clear? Okay. Now see what I'm going to do. This is nothing but I'm going to change the numerator. You can change either numerator or denominator. Better we change the numerator. So this is nothing but cos of 80 degrees. I can write it as 90 degrees minus 10 degrees. Alva? Very basic. Divided by, keep this denominator as it is, sine 10 degrees. Okay, plus, now similarly here cos of, again this 59 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 31 degrees. Check ಮಾಡಿ, 59 plus 31 is 2, 59 plus 1 60, 60 plus 30 is 90, correct? So cos of 90 degrees minus sine of 31 degrees. Okay, right. So this is nothing but, see what happens, cos of 90 minus theta ಏನು, sine theta. So numerator will be sine 10 degrees divided by denominator is already sine 10 degrees. So plus, in the similar way, again cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos of 90 minus theta? It is sine theta. So sine of theta is 31 degrees divided by sine 31 degrees. So this is nothing but gets cancels 1 plus, again this also gets cancels 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಸಿಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ, ಈವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಕೇಪಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಕೇಪಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Okay students, let's take one last question for the session. Question number 17. Okay, the question goes like this. Find the value of 1 plus tan square into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, ಇದು descriptive question. Let me take 1 plus, okay, tan square theta into, I have 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so this is nothing but, we all know what is 1 plus tan square. Just now we proved the identity. 1 plus tan square is, yes, Pramod, it is secant square theta. Good. Okay. Now, Aishwarya, don't you think 1 minus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta looks like a minus b into a plus b? What is a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. So you'll get a square means 1, b square means sin square. Okay. Right. So this is nothing but, so this is secant square theta, okay, into, now Kirti, can you tell me what is sine square? Now just now I told you in the beginning of this identity I will use, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? 1 plus sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ sin square ನಾ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? I will get cos square theta. Is it not? Are you following? Yeah. Okay, now actually I can cancel directly. Okay, otherwise we know secant is the reciprocal of, yes Kritika, what is reciprocal of secant? Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So actually 1 by secant square can be written as 1 by cos square into, here it is cos square. Okay, so numerator and denominator gets cancels, so that is equal to 1. So I got the answer. It's easy ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Is it not? ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಬಾರ್ದು? ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, right students, I think it's time to wind up the session. In the next session we will solve similar 2 marker questions. Okay, next 2 marker questions ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, and then we can take the 3 marker question, and if you want any remaining textbook questions we can solve it later. Okay, now one more request dear students is, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿರೋದಾದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ convey the message in the comment box. Okay, actually I will be waiting for your comments there, whether you would have understood this. Okay, I would feel happy if my students have understood the concepts. Okay, so I believe that you have already liked the video. If you can share the video with your friends so that it can be useful even for them. Okay, so if you have still not subscribed to our channel, kindly students support us by subscribing to our channel. Okay, so thank you students for watching the video. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 4th ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಸರಿ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 2 marker and 3 marker questions. Okay, right, students. So I'm almost shutting down my time. So signing off from my side. We'll meet again in the next session. Until then, take care and bye.